It's January 29th, and here in New England we have this huge blizzard, and my area is supposed to get somewhere between, I think it's like 12 to 18 inches of snow. So we're getting like 2 feet. And so my roommates and I have decided to, my roommates and I have decided to do a full day of drinking. It's currently 9:19. We were supposed to start at 9 with cinnamon rolls and mimosas, but I just got up and I don't hear anybody in the kitchen, so I think nobody else is up yet. So there's like no snow yet, but it looks windy. I am so bad at vlogging. Are you okay, Liz?
No, I'm good.
Of course. And I'm making eggs Benedict, and I already ate mine, but I'll show you Liz's. But yeah, that's breakfast part 1.
My coffee.
Oh, This just went for 2 cups of espresso. I let all the water go out for 2 cups of espresso. There's only 1 cup of espresso.
That's a water coffee.
That's how my espresso is going. Waste of espresso.
I know. That's so upsetting.
All right, Liz, what are we making?
We are making baby Guinness shots. I can't remember how to do this.
Oh, you put the spoon in the shot glass.
What does that mean?
You
Like,
you're supposed to pour it over the spoon in the shot glass. So
well,
you can't do it like that. I can show you
know.
on the other one.
Liz, you messed up. Come on.
Sit the spoon like this.
oh, I see.
Here,
Oh
ready,
my
folks?
god. Yeah, here we go.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's good. I made Vegemite for my friends, for my roommates. I'm trying to vlog. Thought I would vlog today. So, I just made Vegemite. I studied abroad in Australia, if nobody knows. So I brought some Vegemite. Go ahead and grab a piece.
I need to try at the same time. Sure. Oh, I got a whiff. I got a whiff.
Oh. I also got a whiff.
Is it salty? Stop that.
It's
Yara.
like soy sauce.
Stop.
Yeah!
On.
No!
I don't like this.
No!
The cinnamon buns.
Thoughts? Yes? No? No? Nobody likes it? Wow.
Aftertaste, Jesus Christ.
Damn. Alright, we're gonna make some drinks and we're gonna do a frozen drinking game. And I have the rules right here that I'm gonna read to you, and I'll also probably put it up on the screen over here. Take a sip whenever any of the following things happen. Anna spins. This happens so many times during the songs. Elsa freezes something or creates ice. Anyone says, let it go. That's gonna be a good one. Anna talks to herself. Sven tries to bite Olaf's nose. Anna mentions love or being in love. A door closes or slams. Anyone mentions chocolate to any capacity. Interesting. And that is the drinking game. So let's go make some drinks.
I am absolutely sweating.
Am I making a cocktail? Not really. I'm making a mixed drink. And I'm putting it in this Guinness cup. Because why not?
Who's Amy talking to for 100?
The camera! Well, now they know. Drink! 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 She created something. Drink again and again.
Twice. Oh, and 2 for the ice. 4.
I'm just gonna go.
Chug, chug, chug. Alright, we just finished Frozen and now we're gonna do Frozen 2 with another drinking game. I'll put the rules here. Do. How are we feeling, Lauren?
Drunk. Excited. Drunk.
Caitlin,
Drunk, but I have pretzels.
how are y'all feeling? We're doing great. We are doing great. Let's go. Hit play.
I'm feeling entertained by Liz's singing.
Woo!
I feel like they closed a lot more doors than I thought they possibly could have.
Yeah, the first one was so hard with all the doors.
So many doors.
You can only let it go so many times. Drink. All right, we're currently getting ready to go outside because a friend. Oh shit, sorry. So we're currently ready to go outside for 2 minutes because a friend of ours said that if we stand outside on FaceTime for 2 minutes, he'll walk here, and he lives like a mile away. So that's what we're getting ready for. I have my snow boots on, my coat, my hat. Lauren's in her.
Coffee.
Lauren the cow is here.
Ooh.
So update from his name's Declan. He said if me, Caitlin, and Lauren go out, it's a deal. But if Alyssa and Liz want to join, he'll bring booze. So we are finishing getting ready. Alyssa, oh my god, Alyssa just went upstairs, get her stuff, and here we go.
This is how we're going outside. Fuck
Yes,
everyone.
me too. Yes.
Be in a state to drive.
For the booze! For the booze! Alright, I'm a FaceTime him. You'll start a timer? Okay, he'll start a timer.
Alright, we ready?
Alright, send it.
Alright, as soon as he says it.
Alright, you ready?
We're ready.
Yep.
Thank you.
I'll start a timer. I have one up.
Okay, and go!
Don't have gloves?
Dude, it's not that bad out. Close the door.
It's not that bad.
My camera's gonna get all full of snow.
Alright, we're at 35 seconds. Declan on the line.
On the line, Declan.
We're doing it.
Oh
Got it.
my
Alright,
god.
start walking. We're not backing
Yeah,
down.
we're not backing down, Declan.
Can we make a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Around
Holy
the back, around the house.
Oh my god, our driveway. What the heck? What is up with our driveway?
Okay, let's see you lie down. Do it for the vlog. Declan! Get it over here!
Oh, we need you to stop at the fight of the dollar. We want art canvases more than we want booze. And maybe candy, you know, you never know.
That's fair.
All right, Liz, what are we making?
So can I use a couple ounces of your gin?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so it's gin, club soda, some sort of like lemon or lime juice, and sugar.
So we need one, oh yeah, but you do need a whole juice of lemon or lime.
Yeah. First, I need 2 ounces of gin. Okay, also it says the juice of 1 lemon, and there's a piece of a lemon here.
Alexa, Alexa's not plugged in.
Yeah, she's not. Oh, there's lemon juice. Never mind.
Yeah, I just use that.
I didn't realize we had lemon juice. I thought we only had lime.
Get it strong, Jim Liz.
There we go.
Yeah. You
I don't
figured
actually
it
know
out.
how much we needed this, so I'm just gonna
I'm sure that's enough.
for 3 drinks though.
How much lemon is needed for each drink?
1 lemon. It doesn't even say how much club soda either. That's the funny part. So it's just kind of ballparking its entire recipe. Declan.
Oh no! I don't even know if I can get this on camera. It exploded everywhere.
I think this might be too big, but we'll see.
It'll be fine.
I'm gonna go with the sink.
Okay.
Foamy.
Nice and foamy. Totally.
Sure. Get to the rest.
All right, here we go. Amazing. I love a good gin. Alright, it is now the end of the night. It is currently 10:52. We actually didn't do what I thought we were gonna do today and play like board games and stuff. We literally watched 4 movies and did drinking games to all 4 of them. So yeah, it was a really fun day. Thanks for guys coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on another crazy vlog. Bye!